Hello and welcome back to another video which I recorded whilst I was back at university. Before I started recording, I broke one of my nails on my middle finger, so please excuse that. Thank you. Anyways, this is my foundation routine which I have been doing for about a year now. The first thing I do after I cleansed my face, I moisturize with Clinique's Dramatically Different moisturizing gel. My face is all moisturized, I want to go ahead and prime my face. I'm using Benefit's Porefessional, mainly concentrating in the nose area. For foundation, I am using Estee Lauder's Double Wear Nude Water Fresh Makeup. That was such a long time for just foundation, but this is my favorite foundation I like to use on an everyday look. It has such a light and natural finish to it. I love it. Foundation is all blended out with my beauty blender. I am now going to set my foundation in place using Bourjois' Healthy Mix Pressed Powder in Vanilla. Contour and bronze my face, I like using Sleek's contour kit in medium. I've been using this for so many years now. I'm actually so surprised it's lasted me this long. The highlighter I'm using is one of my favorites, and it is the Becca Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal, and I'm applying that to the high points of my face. This is my foundation routine, kind of get ready with me university edition. I don't really know what I'm calling this yet, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!